Okay, so let's do next halacha, number 18. When the tallis and the tzitzis string are in a good condition, one may not remove the tzitzis from the tallis without cause, leaving the tallis without tzitzis. One more time. When the tallis and the tzitzis are in good condition, one may not remove the tzitzis from the tallis without cause, leaving tallis without tzitzis, and this would consider lack of respect to the tallis that is used for a mitzvah. If one intends to replace them, however, it is permitted. So basically, the tallis is good, the tzitzis are good, so maybe he wants to use the tzitzis somewhere else. Maybe he wants, but it's going to be like some kind of disrespect to the existing tallis. So it says, if one wishes to remove tzitzis from a tallis, so that he can tie the other tzitzis upon this tallis, maybe better one, right? That are nicer. Okay, they're nicer than the one that are on it now, or because one of the strings of the current tzitzis was severed, and he wants to tie complete string upon the tallis, even though the current tzitzis string is still valid. So basically, maybe it's one severed, but it's still still valid. Maybe it's half severed. So I mean, you can still wear, but he wants to do to tie new strings, which is no problem. This is nevertheless permitted. So even though it was still valid, but he wants new, no problem. This is because it is not taking them off and leave them tallis without tzitzis. On the contrary, he is doing it so that he will affix them even nicer tzitzis to the tallis. But when removing the tzitzis tassel to replace it, one should be careful not to dispose of the first pair in any unseemly place. Commentary, for example, he may not throw them directly into the garbage. So basically, we try and when you have tzitzis that are not good or you don't need them, so we try to bury them. Wherever you put the Torah scrolls, not Torah scrolls, like Torah materials, like Tugniza, that's what we do with tzitzis. That's what I just recently did also. I mean, I have this pair that is not good. Okay.